Hi everyone, Charlie here from Charlie B's Business. Um, Today, what I'm going to talk to you about is how to build a sales funnel. Now, I could sit here and walk you through a guide on building a sales funnel from start to finish, but I thought today what I'll do is I'll let the professionals show you how to build a sales funnel. And what I'm going to talk to you about is the One Funnel Away Challenge. So the quote for this, as you can see on the screen there, the life you want, the marriage you want, the family you want is going to be fueled by the business that you build. And when you get involved with sales funnels, you'll understand how powerful they really are. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. So getting started, why is the One Funnel Away Challenge changing people's lives and businesses? I'm going to go through that, how you can get started today, building your first or your next funnel in the next 30 days challenge. Once this funnel is built, once you've built your first or your next funnel, you can generate leads and sales on autopilot. This is how powerful they really are, sales funnels, guys. If you're not using them for your business, you really need to be using them. And a bonus, as you can see on the picture on the right hand side here, you get the 30days.com book, which for the buy-in fee of $100, that's all it is, guys, to join the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is worth it on its own, just for the book. This is incredible. And what it is Russel Brunson's got 30 people that have made huge amounts of money in their businesses, different businesses online, and he's asked them if they lost everything, what would they do in the next 30 days to get it all back again. And it's pretty incredible, the stuff that's in that book. I constantly refer back to that. It's really good. So I want you to stay till the end, because I've got some really good bonuses for you if you're looking to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge and get your business scaling. I'm going to show you how you can 10x any business using the One Funnel Away Challenge and sales funnels, how you can accelerate success in the One Funnel Away Challenge, and this is by the tailored bonuses that I'm going to show you at the end. They can really help you push through it a lot quicker. And it can help. They're going to help you cut your workload. I'm going to give you everything you need to get started, and the One Funnel Away Challenge is going to give you all the training you're ever going to need to get some sales funnels launched in 30 days. So what to expect from the One Funnel Away Challenge? So the main thing is, why is this different from any other challenge? It's different because this challenge forces you to take action. The training itself is self-destructive. It's based around Mission Impossible, and it's self-destructing. So it's only limited to the 30 days. During the 30 days, you get daily training with Russel Brunson. You get daily implementation training. So everything that you learn in the sales funnel training and building your funnel, etc. Then you get training on how to implement all of that using the ClickFunnels software and any other software that you may need along the way. And then you get motivational videos, or these videos are based on, designed to sort of keep you going, keep you inspired, keep you motivated. And they're by Steve Larson. And when you see him, he's a real energetic guy, and he really pushes you through. So they're fantastic. You get to join a private community just for your challenge. So the people that are within your challenge, you get your own community on Facebook. You get private coaching. You got mentors in there that you can ask questions to. You can meet like-minded people doing the same businesses. That community is fantastic, just for the fact that you're going to meet people that you wouldn't have had the chance to meet previously. You get tied in with these guys. You can get accountability partnerships, partnerships for business, and all sorts of stuff come out of that group. And just remind you guys, just to join is only $100. That is crazy. It really is. So what they recommend is that you need to be dedicating an hour a day. To be fair, for me, when I went through the challenge, it probably took me double that. I was dedicating probably a couple of hours a day. But you can find that time. We all have the same time in a day. And you'll be able to find it if you really want to get your business working and scaling. This is the way to do it, and you'll be able to find that time. But you need to dedicate time. This isn't some sort of overnight success thing where someone's going to do it all for you. You've really got to put the effort in with this, guys. So what is the training about? So you do get, it's a 30-day challenge, but you actually get a pre-training week as well, which is mostly run by Steve Larson. So this is all about self-belief and mindset. It's a massive part of business, and if you've started any business, online, bricks and mortar business, whatever it is, a lot of your success is based on your mindset. You know, whether you believe in yourself, whether you believe you can do it and achieve it. And that first week is all about that. It's about pushing you to believe in yourself and understand that you can do it. Um, there's people out there that do it that are much less fortunate than you maybe, and they've still succeeded. And you know they're making 7, 8 figures. You know, who knows what they're making now. So anyway, so you get into, after the pre-training week, you've got the week 1 training. So how to create an irresistible offer. This is what this week's all about. It's about creating your offer. I'm not going to go into detail about that. Like I said, I'll leave that to professionals. When you jump into the One Funnel Away Challenge, they go into this in huge depth, and really push through this on. Week 2 is all about your origin story, and how to hook your audience, how to use hooks to capture your audience attention. And your origin story is massive. You know, this is a thing that makes you a real person, that makes you people connect to you. So this is a great week. I mean, all of this training is fantastic, but I mean this is huge. Week 3, you start to go into the funnel structure and strategies, actually building your funnel, physically building it. And again, you have the daily training, you have the daily implementation training, and then you know you have the mindset stuff as well. Plus, you've got all the private coaching, where you can ask all the questions you need. That's happening all the time, and that's all live stuff. That's all live training that happens within the Facebook group that you'll be part of and you get access to. So week 4, the final week. So this is all your funnels, you know, pretty much built. You might be working on different bits and pieces, but week 4 is all based on traffic and the mission debrief. So it's how to generate traffic, and what he talks about is your dream 100. You know, finding your dream 100, your dream customers and stuff like that. You know, that this is powerful stuff, guys. And what you learn, it's intensive course, but what you learn here is absolutely incredible. It really is, and it's really going to help you push through. So, right, what I want to do now is just go on and show you. So when it loads up, so I want to show you into the members area. So when you sign up to One Funnel Away Challenge, you'll get into this members area here. So this is your welcome video by Russel Brunson, only a short video. Then you've got your mission trainings here. So you can see this is the pre-training week 1. You must believe failure. Yeah, you know, this is all the trainings at week 1, week 2. So these all get released as you move through the training. Week 3, week 4. Leading right down to mission debrief, and this is the 30days.com summit interview. So you actually get the videos. It's not just the physical book, but you actually get the videos of all these guys. And I mean, there's some big names in here, guys. You know, there really is some big names, and this stuff is gold. You know, there's Steve Larson there. You know, if you ever listen to podcasts, or you're an affiliate marketer, Spencer Meacham, you'll know him. He's big in the affiliate game. So if you listen to podcasts, John Lee Dumas, Entrepreneurs on Fire, I'll give him a plug because that is my favourite all-time podcast. I absolutely love it. I love him. I love his podcast. You know, and it's something to listen out for. So he's another great name to me. There's some huge names on it, like I said, guys, and this is just a small fraction of what you're getting. I mean, it is incredible value for money. So then I'll go on to we'll go on to the landing page. So if you go on, this is where you're going to come. This is where you're going to come to on their landing page. This will give you all the information. I want to bring you on here just to show you what you're getting for your $100. Now the value that you're getting here. So let's scroll down a bit. So here we are. So this is what you're going to get, guys. You've got 30 days of video missions from Russel Brunson, 30 days of coaching from Steve Larson, Julie Stan, the One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit, which is a 30-day plan. Now that includes the physical copy of the challenge workbook, which is really good. It's got all the little structured bits in there, so you can fill them out as you go. Just to put areas to put notes down. It really helps you sort of capture all your information as you're going through. You get the MP3 player with all the recordings of all the training throughout the whole series. So, for me, I drive a lot for work, so I'll stick that in the car. And I'm listening to that as well, maybe a second or third time, so I get a bit of time to just keep my mind in the game. So then you've got the 30 days hardcover book, which we've spoken about. That's incredible on its own. That is some powerful stuff in there. You get unlimited access to the 30 days interviews, which I've just shown you in the back office area. You can have them, you get them indefinitely, so you've got them all the time to keep referring to. That on its own is worth $100, guys. Jeez. Behind the scenes 2 Comma Club interviews, so you get 2 Comma Club interviews with some of the top guys as well, and you get all of that for $100. So I'm going to put a link below if you're interested in getting involved in the One Funnel Away challenge. I'm going to stick a link below this video, and if you click on that link to go and sign up to the One Funnel Away challenge, it'll bring you through to this. This is my page, my landing page here, which is built through ClickFunnels, and it's just my bonuses. The bonuses I'm going to give to you guys for signing up through my link. So I'm going to give you 10 done for you funnels. So they're for multiple different businesses. You can copy these straight into your ClickFunnels account, and they'll really help you accelerate your success in the One Funnel Away challenge, because you're not starting from scratch. Obviously, you're going to want to tailor these sales funnels to your own personal business, but it's going to give you a head start. So I've also thrown in here some free training. If you're new to affiliate marketing and you want to get started, one of the bonuses of joining the One Funnel Away challenge is you can become an affiliate for the One Funnel Away challenge, and all you need, because it's 100% commission, all you need is one sale of the One Funnel Away challenge, and it's paid for itself. That's how powerful it is, guys. It's paid for itself in one sale of this, and after that, everything is pure profit. So if you're interested in becoming an affiliate marketer, and it's something you've thought about but you haven't quite jumped in yet, I've got a free affiliate marketing bootcamp that you guys can jump into. Again, if you sign up through my link, this usually sells at $497, and I'm going to give that to you for nothing. It's created by one of my mentors, and it's something that's going to really help you get on board with affiliate marketing if that's what you want to do. I'm going to give you some done for you email sequences, because the fortune is in the follow-up, guys. So when you build your sales funnel, this will all be discussed in the One Funnel Away challenge, but part of the process is you're selling on the back end. If you're selling any product, you need to capture people's emails. It's part of the process of a sales funnel, and then you need to be following up with your leads, if they haven't purchased from you, if they have purchased from you. And so I've got some email sequences here that you can use to input and customize to your own business again. It just helps you put that in a bit quicker and cuts your time down. And then headlines, as I said earlier, they talk a lot about hooks to capture your audience. So I've chucked in there 100 killer headlines that you can use and customize for your own business again. So this is just stuff here, guys, to really help you accelerate your success with the One Funnel Away challenge, and a couple of testimonials, but you'll see these throughout the whole process. And if you're still not quite sure, then you can always go to the top of the page here and you can book a call with me. So you can go in there and actually book a call, and I'll have a quick chat with you and just give you some clarity on how this is going to help you. I've been through the challenge myself. It's helped me in my business, and it can truly help everyone in their business. So you're not, like I said at the beginning, if you're not using sales funnels in your business, you really need to be using them, because they're incredibly powerful. It's like having a salesman working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and it's that powerful, guys. So yeah, if you sign up through my link, which I'm going to put at the bottom in the comments below my video, then just shoot me an email to contact@charliesmarketing.com. I'll put that in the comments as well. Shoot me an email to let me know you've signed up, and I can send you all these awesome bonuses. So I hope that has cleared up how powerful the One Funnel Away challenge is. I really want you guys to get involved in this, and I hope you enjoy it. So thanks for watching the video, and jump on the link below, get signed up, and build that sales funnel in the next 30 days, guys. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.